So that is why sometimes somebody says something to you, you're like, oh, I want to beat them up, but I want to, you know, that energy tends to go to be because you want to do an action, you're refraining from the action.
Can you hear my voice, friends? Is my voice clear? Yes, yes. So welcome everyone. Vikas, can you hear me? Please unmute yourself.
Yes, yes, yes.
Everything is okay, all set?
All set.
Can you please show the Singapore University first? Keep it ready. Then the markets. We'll just start in. It's already 4:30. Shall we start or should we wait for some more people are joining? We have 138 people. By the time anybody has any questions which they want to get answered with, anybody has any questions? And I guess, yeah, your name is Insider Trader. That's not a very good thing. So yes, go ahead. Good afternoon, Mitesh. Yeah, go ahead, Mr. Insider Trader. If you can put your name, it will be better. What's your question? Is if F2 are selling, who driven the market? If F2 are selling, who's driving the market? Okay. If market is growing up, we are waiting for 6,000 as per your suggestion. Yes, okay. I know my name is Satagopan. Okay, Mr. Satagopan. Video market downside 93, but market continue up. Singapore University reports seem to have two different report giving different dates. We'll be discussing overall market also for 5-10 minutes because everybody wants to know. So let's start. Good afternoon, friends. This is Shailesh Sharaf, Managing Director of Dynamic Equities. So the first thing is in the last, we just want to give a disclaimer that we are doing our best to give our research, but we may be wrong. So please, don't take action of only what we say. Please use your discernment and please use your own risk parameters. And if you feel that you want to enter the market, please go ahead and enter the market. So there's a clear disclaimer that we are also trying our best to give you the information. So the information is from the last 3 weeks, everybody's asking me what is good in the market, why the markets are going up, what's good in the market, what's happening in the market. So market is very funny. Sometimes, it's also works on a clearing to clearing basis in India. So you know that, when there is a clearing, last Thursday, tomorrow is the clearing which ends for April contract. So when I've seen that in a clearing, when the market is in the previous clearing and the market is down, the speculators keep 1 month up. So one of the very good thing is that's not correct. I don't understand, Mr. QWY. Please put your name properly. It has not been banned by the government. So you are absolutely wrong and you have wrong information. They've just told to use passwords. That's it. We have the government instruction very clearly with us. So whoever is there, QW5, please don't use such statements on this chat, please. Okay. Zoom has not been banned. The government has just said that people, if you please use passwords, so you're highly protected. Zoom is a $45 billion company. So they're very responsible. Just use passwords so that because people are using so much Zoom, when you use password, they cannot enter your computer. Okay. So basically people are asking me about the markets, and what we feel is that market has a funny way. So what I can see is the market has moved today again 200 points to 9,600. 9400 was the level from which it fell. So it is again given a breakout. So as a fund manager, I never play a breakout. I always play a support thing. Whatever goes up comes down. So even if it is gone up, it will still come down. Even if it does not come down to a very low level, it will still come down because the market keep on going up, 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 up every day. It has never happened in the history, and market don't keep going down, down, down also every day. Okay, so one of the ways is because we had a clearing. So this entire clearing, if you see the April clearing, they had kept the market up because there was so much fear and panic that they have made some good money. The people have made some good money. They entered at about 7,800 and they're closing the market at 9,000. So it's a 20% gain for speculators. So obviously tomorrow when the clearing ends, derivative clearing, I hope everybody knows that the derivative clearing ends last Thursday. So tomorrow when the clearing ends, we have to see how the May clearing moves up. So there is one thing which is we have to be aware of. Now, number two, why now? Let's take the positive side. Why may the market go up? So basically what America has done, they have pumped in $4.3 trillion and last week they also pumped in another 500 billion. They have pumped in $5 trillion in the economy. And that's a lot of money. They have bought bonds. They have made the interest rate to zero in the last 1 month. Like India is going slow. They're cutting 50 basis point. There the interest rate was 2.75 and they come down to straight zero. So the interest rate has been cut. They have pumped the economy with $5 trillion, not 5 billion. 1,000 billion is 1 trillion. 1 billion is 7,000 crores. So if you calculate how much money they have put in the economy to make sure that the economy survives, they have bought bonds of companies. They have given liquidity in the market. Whatever they could do, they have done. So obviously when you have so much of help, initially, the market sustains, right? So, and see, it's not only America, Japan has given stimulus. India is the only country which has not given any stimulus. They came out with 50,000 for mutual fund. Before that, RBI had come for 50,000. So it is not a great stimulus, but whatever India has, they have put in 1 lakh crore in the market. The other 1,70,000 was only giving giveaways to the poor people to make them survive, right? So because of the pumping of so much money, the market is up. So I want to show you a daily chart, 2007 S&P. 2007 S&P. I'll show you some daily chart, very interesting. What happened in 2007? 2007 daily chart. Before the crash came in 2007, this is the daily chart 2007.
We can see only for 2012 till 2012.
Okay, so just put the weekly chart.
So just it came.
And it's just rolling in. Sorry, we're just sliding the chart. We'll show you when the market was, remember 2007 was the subprime crisis. I don't know how many people know. In subprime, they were the banks were giving loan without checking any credentials and were giving loan to the public, and they were taking the homes as a collateral, right? So 2007, where is it? 2007, huh? Not 2008. This is the daily chart, right?
Daily chart.
January se 2000, yeah. So if you see what happened was, this was the big crash which happened in 2007, right? So the problems first started coming in. What is this date? This is 22nd
2nd February.
February, a pretty similar time when the market first gave the warning, and the market again, because it was a warning, and what was happening is, now this time, every time the market was going down, they were announcing an interest rate cut. So they announced the interest rate cut here, and again the market went up. Again, when the market went down, they decided to give an interest rate cut. Just go move ahead now. Yeah. So thoda chota kar do and move with this. Yeah. Now this is, if you see, then whenever the market was going up, they were giving an interest rate cut down. So the problem happened, but the market went up and then again it crashed. So basically, another thing very important is, which I want to give as a very common sense to everyone. Market moves on sales and profits. Now, everybody's there. Do you think which companies with sales will increase? I think so. Sales will only increase for pharma companies. FMCG companies may increase because people will use those, or it will stay similar. Chemicals and fertilizers are doing well because the crude oil is down. But if you observe, most of the companies do not get into the sales, and profit is not increasing, but everything is closed down. So there is going to be an effect. Right now, money is being pumped in, the interest rates is being reduced, so that you have a short-term thing to survive. So it's a short-term rise. It's a short-term rise, right? This is my perspective. Again, I'm putting on disclaimer. I may be wrong. I'll be happy if the market goes up, but we have friends, we discuss. It doesn't make any sense to me right now. But market is very funny. Market goes up. Now let's take the positive side, why the market is going up. So we'll show you the Singapore thing, Singapore design. So this is a very interesting paper. When will COVID end? So if you click the paper, go down, it shows different charts of different countries, right? So if you see the chart of Italy, it had peaked, now it is already going down. Upar karo thoda sa. Show me the chart of Italy. Yeah. So if you see, it is already going down. So this is the bell curve, which shows, this is economic theory, that every country you should go in Worldometer and check. Australia and New Zealand are already at 99%. You know, so this is another reason why they must be feeling that COVID will end in May. Most of the countries, they are predicting that it will end in May, but 97 to 99% will end in May, right?
India June.
Okay, and India will end in June or July somewhat. They are giving you data of it's a very good report. You can actually go to the website. What is the website? SUDT. Just go up once. Just go up. Go up, up. Because go up the.
Just a second. Yeah.
Go up, please. So you can go to this DD.
Okay.
DDSUDT.edu.sg. You can actually see this. You can go and read the article. It's a good research article to check. So what happens is, the fund managers, when they know it is going to end in May, they're already buying. And when the end will come, they will sell actually. And then that is the time public will get trapped. So it's maybe a very dangerous time, because the profits will not increase. The sales will not increase of many companies. I don't think so. People are going to go to restaurants, are going to travel, or these things are going to become normal. Okay. India probably India is still on the rising trend. Okay. Globally also, you can please go to Worldometer and show the global cases. So globally also, if you check, please remove your cursor, please. Yeah. So if you globally also, if you check, right now it is showing just down. So it is flattened. So last 3-4 days it is going down. Okay. So right now, what I am seeing is that the fund managers, the short-term traders or the speculators, because they are very active part, they try to take advantage of the sentiment of the market. So they're taking a very good advantage of the sentiment of the market, and they will actually exit very quickly. So tomorrow when the clearing ends, their position will already be squared off. I don't think so they will have the capacity to take the position to the next clearing. Okay, so they will wait probably. And another very important thing, on 8th May, the America is going to declare the non-farm payroll. This is the employment data which America declares every month, the first Friday. Because this first Friday is on the 1st of May, it's a Labor Day. So they'll be releasing the data on 8th on May. 8th on May last month, they lost about 7 lakh jobs. So, let's see what happens in May. What is the condition of the US economy? So right now, money is being pumped in, everything is being done. So just be slightly patient. Even if we have missed the rally in the last 10-15 days, you will get an opportunity. Market will come down to 8,800 or 8,700. Because even if it goes up, it is continuously up for a month now. So there will be a small correction, which I feel. Right? And sometimes, market goes up, it takes 1 month. But when it falls, it takes only 3-4 days. You see this fall, 1, 2, 3 days, it's down by 1,000 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down by 2,000 points. You see 2 days down by 500 points. 100, 100, 100 करके बढ़ता है, 2 दिन 3 दिन में 500 1000 पॉइंट गिर जाता है. Please remember, the falling is very, very steep. It falls like a knife. Cut, 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 cut. So I know I'm not IMC. I'm a long only player. I only make money when the market is up. I only make, because we are a long only player. We don't do short, but we only invest in good shares when the market goes down. Okay, so I will definitely prefer to enter here or here, this area. So this area is, put the chart right now, sorry, India, please.
Yes, in Nifty.
Yeah. So definitely one of the area is 8,800, another area is here, go down. So 8,000 levels, these are levels which I will enter. I would not enter, because I have learned one thing, never play a breakout. Because if you go wrong in a breakout, you lose a lot of money. Again, I repeat, you go wrong in a breakout. Right now, if you see the market is breaking out, you have to be very, very careful here. Very dangerous time. This is my personal view. Rest is your choice. I may be wrong. Please don't hold me responsible, but it's your choice completely. So even if you are impatient, market will come back to 8,800. That is the time you can put some money. At least you're down. But what good part is, decide the good shares which I want to train you. Decide the good shares which you are training. Okay, so we have a question. As an investor, should we think about breakout? As I said, Pravinji, I don't believe in breakout. Breakout is a very dangerous strategy. There is a very funny saying. They said, people who buy high, they think they will find another fool who will buy higher. And smart investors always buy low and sell higher. So this is the time actually to book some profits rather, I would say. If you're stuck or you're getting out some stocks, it's a good time to actually book some profits. I would rather book some profits right now. Okay. Why Facebook? Mr. Shivanand, Facebook is not ended today. I think it must be at least a 1 year or 2 years of discussion. They don't invest 43,000 crores on a COVID time. It must be already, the discussion must be happening for last 1.5 years. There were already rumors in the market. Okay, so it is not that it has been decided today. Okay, and they play for a long term. They don't care what is happening. So they play for a long term, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. That's a different strategy. If F2 are selling, what is F2 have not been selling? I'll show you the data. F2 has not been selling in the clearing. That is why you should see the Nifty data. Our Nifty data has been continuously showing, the buy bias only for 1 month. So there has not been, the speculators are not selling in the market. Okay. I'll show you the Nifty data. So if you see the Nifty data, the clearing started to go down because, so show them the clearing. Yeah, the clearing started on 26 March. We were 22,000 minus. So basically, if you see the chart, first show the chart for front page also. Meter, yeah. If you see between 0 to 1 lakh, it is actually buy bias, right? That means all the short was covered in the last clearing. In the last 1 month, they've always been here only. They've always been here in the last 1 month, right? If you see our trendometer, it was always here. They never went. So now we have to see the new clearing is starting. What happens in the new clearing? So every time when the clearing starts, we have to see the first 5 days, 10 days. That is very important. Okay. So let's come to, we are getting some more questions. Entire market is played in future and options. Yeah, so that is part of the market. So welcome to the world of investments and future options. That is part of the world. Is index contract showing put long and future? What? I didn't get your question, Mr. Insider Trader. Please change your name because we can't address you by a proper name. I'm not a very good technical player. I play more on my research data. What will be the impact of oil prices? Right now it is too early. Reliance is going up because of the Facebook discussion. Reliance is going up. So, and right now they have valued Jio at $4 lakh, 4 lakh rupees, 4 lakh crore rupees. That's a huge amount. Reliance is at 8 lakhs. That is at 4 lakhs. That means the debt of Jio will be taken care of by Jio itself. The valuation they've got is very high. Okay, so because of the Facebook investment, Reliance has become much safer now. Yeah, so most or less we have given you a perspective about the market. So I'm still not very bullish, but I may be wrong. So we can still invest at 8,800 or 8,000 levels, 7,500 levels, a good time to go into the market if you want to. Okay, so when the market is going down, just we wait for 1 or 2 days and invest. Now let's come to valuation strategy, because people are asking me a lot that please share with us some good valuation strategies. Okay, so what is a valuation strategy? What is a valuation strategy? So if you click the value, if you click the app, I don't know how many people have downloaded it. Please click the app. Just read it out, Vikash, please.
Yeah, valuation are used as an important strategy for picking good stocks at low price or undervalued price with a good margin of safety. However, one has to be cautious as valuation alone can be misleading. So along with valuation, a company must also have quality and growth, which will help in when or the right entry rate or right time to invest. The fundamental parameters are as follows. DCF valuation, Graham valuation, earning valuation, yearly P, quarterly trailing P, latest PB ratio, PEG ratio, price to sales, EV by enterprise value by EBIT, and EBIT by enterprise value.
So basically what we are trying to share with you is that when you decide to buy a share, okay, So people say, give me good shares at cheap valuations. In valuations, you have to be what is a cheap stock? And how do you know it's a cheap stock and a good share? This is the very, very important criteria which you need to learn. So when the share is fallen, it becomes cheap. Now there is a danger, whether it is a good stock which is cheap or it is a bad stock which is cheap. How do you know that? Again, I repeat, when the share prices fall, it is become cheap now. So whether it is a good stock, it is cheap, or whether it is a bad stock, it is cheap. So first is definitely you should know the risk parameter, which is an E. So click E. So whenever the stock is cheap, make sure that you have 2-3 things in your mind. Number one, it should not have high D ratio. If it is very high D ratio, be very, very careful. Okay. Number two, make sure that it is not pledged its shares in the market. It is not pledged its shares in the market. Number three, make sure they have still volumes. Because when the volume goes down, that means there is little interest of fund managers and public. Number four, the company is not in loss. Number five, you have some mutual fund holding. If the mutual fund is zero, please understand, mutual funds only invest in about 800 companies in India. Rest they don't invest. What I've seen is if the mutual funds have not invested in that company, they don't give support when the market falls. So I take it very negative when I see there are no mutual funds holding in any share, which is very easily available in our app. Okay. Number important point, institution holding, and make sure that, so when you see these things, you have to be very, very careful that the prices are down. But if he has these things, then I will not invest in the company. If you have these things in the company and the prices are down, don't invest in that company. Now, once you see that, okay, the debt is less than 1, the promoter's pledge is very little, maybe 10 or 20, not big percentage. If the company is in profit, it has volumes, okay, there is mutual funds investment in the company. That means those companies are good. And now you are getting those companies at cheap valuation. Are you able to understand? Please ask me questions only related to valuation. I will not be answering any other question. Okay. The name of the app is Value Stocks. एक पेज बनाया है क्या वैल्यू स्टॉक्स का बोला था make a page in which the number and everything.
पेज भी दिया.
Can you see this Value Stocks? You can use this number to contact us, and you can go and write a mail in this. Okay, Value Stocks. Okay, let's come to the strategy. Okay, can repeat how to select stocks for investing. How many people need a repeat? How many people need a repeat what I said right now? Yes, yes, please repeat. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so let's come to valuations again. So if you have an app, you should download our app on stocks. It is on front page. You don't even need to pay for it to see this, what we are showing you. So if you download our app on the front page, first click V, please. Vikash, please click V. Vikash, are you there? Vikash.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah, are you there? Please click V.
Yeah, I'm there. I'm there. I'm there.
I'm listening to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you see, what is the strategy? What is a valuation strategy? A valuation strategy is that the share prices have fallen, but the stocks are very, very good. So right now, if you see the market has fallen, which stocks are cheap? But when you see cheap stocks can be due to 2 reasons. Either the stock's fundamental is bad or the stock fundamental is good. Because of the COVID scenario, many good stocks, good fundamental stocks are at cheap valuations. Sasta mil raha hai aapko because of the economic scenario. So this is where you make, if you know how to understand those stocks, you can make good money. Okay. Second part is, how do you know that it is cheap but the stock is bad? So you go to E in our app. If you download it, you go to E. In E, how do you know, okay, if the stock has fallen, before you invest in any stock, you should see whether the D ratio, high D ratio means anything above 1, 1.5, you have to be careful in that stock. It's very dangerous. High debt companies. Number 2, pledge. When they pledge their shares more than 10% or 20% in the market. Even SEBI has said anybody pledging more than 20%, it's a gray area. So you have to be very careful. Company which has very low turnover in the market, they have loss. They have gone into loss, especially quarterly loss. Okay. The very important is they don't have mutual fund holding is 0. Now all these things are available in my app, but that is obviously you have to subscribe it. If you know it, you know that these are the risk factors in that company. Once you know the risk factors in that company, even if it is a cheap valuation, don't buy that stock. Are we clear now? Are you understanding the topic? Okay. Please keep your questions to valuation. We don't discuss day trading here, sir. Is yes. Is it clear, everybody? Yes. So this is what we are trying to say. Cheap valuations in good stocks is what you should do as an investor. Cheap valuations in bad stocks you should avoid. So what to avoid, we have given in the app. Once you understand this, that now we will go to how to select a good stock which is at cheap valuation. How to select that. Okay. So now we will show you some strategies. Now please go to some strategy which you have already. I hope you have the strategy, right? Yeah. So let's study Graham. Do you have Graham ready?
Yes.
One second. Huh? Okay. Now Graham, we'll share what is Graham. We are coming to it. Okay. So, you have to register. All data is available on my app. You register, you pay for it, you get everything. Right. Please don't ask any question because I will not answer. I humbly request you that please listen. Don't ask any questions right now. If you want to learn, we are not here to answer your personal questions. It is not possible. I have 258 people. I cannot answer personal questions, right? If you want to know personal questions, you have to go for a training one-to-one with my people. They will answer your personal questions. Okay. So let me give you the understanding of the market so that you can make good money when markets are down. Understand the strategies. Understand how fund managers decide stocks. Understand the new mindset. Okay. If you will understand the new mindset, you will make a lot of money. Now, who's Graham? Graham is Benjamin Graham. If you go to Google, he is the father of the stock market. You see Wikipedia. Okay, I'll show you Benjamin Graham on Wikipedia. Now, he is Benjamin Graham, father of value investing. He's the one, he always says, invest in companies which is good, but at cheap valuation. Now, he's there. So we are giving you that this app can actually give you good stocks at cheap valuation, right? So he has written a book called Intelligent Investor. Can you check Intelligent Investor? From that book, we have made a strategy and backtested for 5 years. So we'll again show you. And we'll share 4-5 more strategies of big people. So who are the strategies we are going to share? We are going to show you the strategy of Mr. Sabta dikha de books. Show the books only. So we'll show you the strategy of Mr. Toby Carlyle, the acquirers multiple. We'll show you the strategy of John Templeton, like Franklin Templeton, who just closed the mutual funds. Now they have not defaulted, by the way. People are very scared. They have not defaulted in the mutual fund, by the way. Huh? They are just, switched it off for the client's benefit. We're going to show one strategy. We'll also show one strategy of Super Stocks by Kevin. These are great books. If you want to write down, if you want to take a picture, Acquirers Super Stock by Kenneth Fisher will be sharing, Intelligent Investor. Okay. So we'll be sharing these strategy with you. Kenneth Fisher, Toby Carlyle, Templeton. All these are very, very profile. They've written books. They have managed $100 billion. They have been very successful. And another strategy we'll show you is Joel Greenwald. Okay, how to beat the markets. So we'll show you 5 strategies today. Okay, so are you interested to learn the 5 strategies from these 5 different books? So I've given you the name. You buy the books, read the book. But if you want, even if you read the book, you don't have the data, you've not backtested it, that according to their mindset, which share we are supposed to buy. Right? So I'll show you. Okay. Who's interested? Let me see a raise of hands. Who's interested to know about these 5 great people? Let's see, are you interested? Yes. Yes. Good. Okay. So they are masters in which their mindsets are that give me good stocks at cheap valuations. Give me good stocks, which number thing, not bad stocks, good stocks, which I can buy at a cheaper price. So we backtested it. So what is the first strategy? First strategy is, this is not the right one for Graham. 192 file kiya. Please get the right ones quickly.
Okay.
Let's get the right ones.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, we'll explain you what is the strategy of Benjamin Graham. He said, whenever you want to find a cheap stock, make sure in the last 3 saal, they are growing at about 15%. अगर कोई कंपनी में 15% का प्रॉफिट ही नहीं हो रहा है, उसको हम कौन सा स्टॉक, हाउ डू यू नो इट्स अ गुड स्टॉक? सो ही डिसाइड्स दैट कम से कम 15% का ग्रोथ होना चाहिए ईपीएस में. He also said the debt equity should be very low. Okay. He also said there should be dividend paying companies. Last 3 साल में कम से कम 1 साल 2 साल dividend दिया है. Because when you पहले के जमाने में dividend बहुत important था. So this book was written, but still I'm seeing that when I put the dividend, it gives me a good return. When I invest only in companies which gives dividend. Dividend means that the management wants to share something with the public. Maybe it's a small amount, but that amount they're sharing. So it's a good attitude, shows the management is sharing, means increasing the wealth of the people. Obviously, they should be in profits. All the companies should be in profits. And definitely we are going to put all these things. These are risk managers, which is not given by them, but this is risk. I'll make sure that the companies are invested in mutual fund. They have good volume. Their pledge is low. I'll make sure this is there. And they are profitable companies, so that I don't invest in bad companies which has bad fundamentals. So this is added, it's not added by us, but this is understood that you should only invest in good companies. Once you do it, you are actually getting this is not correct, we have made it better to 190%. You are getting the 5 years if you invested, they give you 9 to 10 stocks. And if you invest in the 9 stock and you hold it for a year, you get tremendous return. You get tremendous return. So I'm actually, these companies which I have found out, I saw from 23rd March, when the market went low, if you were invested in these stocks have given a return of 20-25% in 1 month. So we were testing it. The testing was all released in the last 1 week only, back tested. If we knew it 1 month before, we could have also made money, but it was not back tested. Now we have tested it that we invest on 6 June. In next 1 year, we get 72%. We have made it better. We have increased the stocks also. So this will be available in the app in next about maybe 1 week. This strategy will be available for purchase. Obviously, it is not free, my friends. We have done, it is years of effort to do back testing on data, putting the idea, back testing it, putting it and giving it to the public. Okay. Everybody is looking for good stocks. So this strategy will give you some brilliant stock. Okay. So let's take questions only on this strategy and then we'll go to other questions. Name 10 good stocks undervalued after COVID. This is what we are doing, sir. We are telling you the strategy. We are testing you. So if books could tell without guru, then all booksellers would have been IAS, IPS. Good investors, guru has main role. That's true, sir. Obviously, you can't learn everything in a library. You have to go to a school. So that is the role we are playing. But we are also telling you that what is the book you're supposed to read. The teacher or anybody, I don't consider myself as a guru, the teacher or whatever we know little about the stock market, we are sharing with you that which books you should read, which has a lot of value. There are hundreds of books in the stock market, but which books should you read? Which books gives you knowledge? So definitely these books there is no monthly strategy. These are all yearly strategies. You hold it for 1 year. Right now, we don't have any last 1 year. Obviously, right now, it was because of the COVID, the problem has been there. This is a different kind of problem. It's not an economic problem. You know, no markets or no shares can survive such a big global problem. I told you which stock is good and which stocks are bad. Mr. Vivo 801804. I have already discussed it 10 minutes before. Dividend paying shares. DPS means dividend paying shares. What's the strategy once again? I cannot repeat it, sir. I've already repeated it once. Let's keep to Mr. Praveen. I think so. You're a short-term trader. Let's please hold on to your questions. Huh? We are not different strategy. We had covered short-term trading last week. So if you want to buy Nifty strategy, please hold on. I agree you have questions on derivative. Let's stick to our strategy today.
Yes, yesterday's news data.
Okay, so this is the latest we have covered. So we have covered, even in this market, the market fell by 28%. The strategy has fallen 30% also. Please understand, because of the market. But if you see in the last 5 years, it has given tremendous return. And the stocks are fantastic. These are 14 stocks which are brilliant, which will be available in the app by next week. Amazing stocks it is. Right? So basically, this is one strategy. Now we'll show you another strategy of a guru. Which guru is this?
John Templeton.
Yeah. We'll show you John Templeton. Templeton is one of the biggest fund managers in the world. In India, it manages about 60-70,000 crore in mutual funds. Globally, I think so it manages about $700 to $1 trillion, $700 billion to $1 trillion. And right now, Praveen, this is not on my app. This is going to be launched in the app next week. This is the valuation strategy. People are asking me valuation strategy, so we are launching it this one. Okay. Devanik, that was followed by Mr. Graham. Now this is followed by Mr. John Templeton. He
John
says, John Templeton. So NPM, you know what is NPM? NPM is net profit margin, basically a ratio for sales and profits. So he says when the net profit margin is more than 5%, that means you have sales and then you have profits, there is a net profit margin. So if there is a net profit margin of the last 3 years, again, somebody follows EPS growth, John Templeton follows NPM. Everybody has a different thing, but they will, what I have seen is all the people will follow sales and profits always. Now, let me repeat one thing. We have 254 people, and I want to repeat one thing which you should become clear in your head. If this one thing becomes clear, your life will be super good. Okay? Who wants to know that one thing? I want to see a raise of hands. Let's see how many people raise the hands. Okay. So what is that one thing? Thank you. So what is that one thing? Please understand the most important thing in stock investments is sales and EPS. Market and the end, if you do not know the sales of company, you do not know the profits of company, please, you are not a good investor. You should know the sales, you should know the EPS. That is the key aspect of the market, the most paramount aspect. So even when they are looking for people, or somebody was asking me, how do you know it is a good stock or a bad stock? Anywhere the sales are growing, even if it is growing by 1%, it is growing. If it is growing by 10%, it is even better. If it is growing by 20%, even better. And if the profits are also growing, that means the top line and the bottom line, both are super good. Those companies are supposed to be good, right? So please understand why we are right now, we are not very bullish is maybe short term the market is going up, but we know that April to June, there will be a lot of companies whose sales and profits will be affected very, very deeply. And if their sales and profit is affected, market will go down. So when the results will start coming in end July, August, that is the time you have to be very, very careful, because there will be so many companies whose sales might just go into loss. Axis Bank went into loss this period. Only 10-15 days of closure, they were into loss. I don't know how many people saw. So these are dangerous times. So if they give a loss, the market, the share prices will just go down tremendously. And you might be shocked. Many good companies will either their growth will go down, their sales will go down, or they will go into loss. Okay. So we have to be very, very careful. Okay. That's correct, Sumesh. This is already factored, but the market is again gone up. So some people are getting restless. The market is going up, what to do, right? So be very, very careful what is going to happen. So the only thing what I suggest is that I always said, if you want to be in the stock market, pharma, okay, another sector is chemicals and fertilizers. Okay, so these things looks good. These things look good to me. So if you are restless and you want to enter the market, enter in chemicals, fertilizer, and pharma only. Only three. Okay, previously I was only giving pharma, but now this week I've added chemicals and fertilizers because we are seeing a very wonderful uptrend, and we have got report that the profits and sales will increase. Why? Because the crude oil prices are down. So their operating profit and profits are going to increase. Okay, so please understand this. So what they follow is the NPM, John Templeton. You should know these things. NPM, you should Google. What is NPM? Just show it on Google for them. Please keep your questions. I request everybody, please keep your questions. I'm not going to answer. Please hold on to your questions. Huh? Mr. Usha, Gaurav, Karthik, please hold on to your questions. Please don't ask any questions right now. Thank you. Mr. Sarvesh, please stop asking questions right now because it's getting disturbing. Mr. Sadbir. Okay, so if you see net profit margin, what is the net profit margin?
Margin.
Is equal to how much net income or profit is generated as a percentage of revenue. Net profit margin is the ratio of net profits to revenue for a company. You know, so this is a very, very important thing, you know, which they see. Okay, so it is calculated. You know, they can see the calculation later. So basically, John Templeton, go to the strategy. Okay, so he says the NPM, right? So we tested it and we saw that even if you last 3 years, you should have minimum 5% NPM. And then we checked, which is another thing by known as called EBIT by EV. EBIT by EV. Okay? EBIT by EV. Now, what is EBIT? Earning before interest and taxes. Basically, the operating profit. Before taxes, the money earned. That is called EBIT, which is also available on our app. And then what is enterprise value? So we'll show you enterprise value. Show them the enterprise value. What is enterprise value? These are very important terms. These are very important things which usually investors don't know. That's why they can't get to the right stock. So when you read these books, you understand that what are these great people thinking, how they think. To change your thought process. Stop buying from TV, friends. Use your own intelligence. Learn. We are sharing so much of learning. Our app will give you so much of learning that you will be surprised. Enterprise value is company's total value. It looks at the entire market value rather than the equity value. So all ownership interest. So it is different than market cap. Okay. Enterprise value. How is it calculated? Market value.
Market capitalization.
Market capitalization plus market value of debt minus cash. So this is how you know that what is actually the worth of the company. So these great people, they calculate the EV. Okay, now go to the strategy. And they make a ratio by EBIT by EV. So EBIT by EV is 8.5. So we changed it. We calculated it, but we kept it 8.5. We are able to get 13 stocks and the return is about 100% in last 5 years. In last 5 years, the strategy is given a return of 100%, about 20-25% per year. Now, please be realistic. 20-25% is a huge amount in the stock market. Another investors, they go in the market that they want to 100-200%, and they go in the wrong stock. They can't create a portfolio of stocks. Now, if you invest in 13 stocks, all stock will not go up. But you know that the strategy is worked regularly for 5 years. If I invest in the 13 stocks in equal proportion, in 1 year, I might get a return of 20%. So be realistic in your thing. In Benjamin Graham, the yearly return is 35-40%. His strategy in those stocks. So these are, whenever we buy these stocks, the stocks are at very, very low. Good stocks at very cheap valuation. Very, very cheap valuation. So this is another strategy. Now, can you imagine they only follow 2 things? 2 things, that's it. What I've seen is fundamental analysis is very easy. It's very simple. If you follow these great mind, they just follow 2-3 parameters and they know exactly the parameter and they buy the stock. The problem with investors is even if they know the parameter, they don't have the data. So our app comes in where it gives you the data very easily. What is the EV by EBIT? What is the strategy? Which stock is invested? From which book it is? What is the brilliant mind? What is the backtesting results? So when all these questions are answered, our fear goes away. Okay. Now this strategy is also lost 40%, by the way. Now because of COVID, it has lost. But when the market will go up, this strategy itself from 23rd March has already given a return. Because if you can quickly tell them to give a return of these stocks from 23rd March till today, if somebody can do it.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically these strategies are, please show them, I'll show them another strategy by the time you do it.
Okay.
Can you, yeah. So we'll show you another strategy of Kenneth Fisher, who sees price to sales ratio. So 3 people we found out, they use actually EBIT by EV. That means it is a very important fundamental parameter. And I've asked many investors, do they know about EBIT by EV? They have no knowledge. So EBIT by EV gives you whether it's a good stock at a cheap valuation. So this is how they value the company, take out good stocks, and they make good money. Okay, so this is Kenneth Fisher. Kenneth Fisher, uses price to sales ratio. So he sees which company's sales are increasing, and then he says there is a price to sales ratio. So he says, again, he uses NPM, same like John Templeton. We have covered NPM, but he does not use EBIT by EV. He uses price to sales ratio, market cap to sales. So what we found out that whenever the sales ratio, market cap to sales is below 2, lower the cheaper. So below 2 we check, most of the stocks are below, about the P is about 2018. So all the stocks are pretty cheap, and because of NPM, the sales are very good. These stocks are giving very good return. And if you see, this stock is also fallen very least. That means when the company is growing in sales, when the market fell, it only fell 24%, where the Nifty has fallen 22%, 28%, 38%. So averagely, if you see, it is only fallen 24%, right? So this is a very, very good strategy where even when the market fell, it went very, very low. And when the market went up, it's giving some phenomenal returns. So there is something called price to sales ratio. So uska sales kitna hai aur uska price kitna hai. So when you see that the market price is below 2 ratio, below 2, and it has a good NPM, it's a great stock. So we have back tested it, and we are launching this strategy next week in our app. So basically we'll be launching 2 strategies, obviously individual strategy, and we're launching a combo pack of 5 valuation strategies. So when you have a combo pack of 5 to 6 valuation strategies, a combo pack, you can understand all brilliant minds. You can see the common stocks, and then you can invest also. Because if that stock is coming in 4-5 brilliant mind, that means that stock has a lot of value. Again, I repeat, before we end, valuations are very, very tricky. whenever you're looking at valuation stocks, make sure that the stock is not in a loss. It does not have high debt. Mutual funds are invested. The turnover is okay. It is mentioned in E in our app. Again, I repeat, my friends, please show them the app for front page, Vikash. Vikash, front page.
Yes.
It's all on an app. We don't provide Excel sheet, Shubham. You have to buy the app. Everything you get through the app. And once you buy the app, you get personal training and one-to-one. We do a lot of video conferencing on Tuesday with my customers. So I take more personal questions there. In the public seminar, I cannot take personal questions. So if you become my customer by buying a strategy, you can actually come on Tuesday, and then we have a lot of one-to-one questions which I will take. Okay. You have to become my customer, then you'll automatically get all the links. We'll be launching all the combination of the combo pack, everything for the valuation. So if you see, valuation strategies gives you when to buy. Okay, it is cheap stocks and it gives you, and if you know, please put on front page, please. Don't change if I don't tell you. Okay, exit and risk parameter, what not to buy. There is a very important saying, to-do list sab banate hain, not to-do list koi nahi banata. And as an investor, we have 234 people here. Please make sure you know what not to do in the stock market. And the maximum money people lose here because they don't have knowledge of this. So this, you at least for this, you don't have to pay. You download it and see what not to do. Okay? You know, nothing is free, Mr. Dilip Agarwal. All the strategies are separate. You buy one strategy, get the app. We have 12, 15 strategies. Every strategy you have to pay. Okay, and we'll be doing in the next 2 or 3 days, we are doing a 5-day online webinar. So I don't know how many people will be interested. Obviously, there will be a cost attached to it. So if you're interested in a 5-day webinar where we will be giving you all the stock names of all the strategies. A 5-day webinar, you will get also 1 month to use the app free. You'll get one strategy and you'll be getting all the stock list of all the 15, 17 strategies we have. We have 12 on the app and 8 are coming. So we'll be giving you stock list of 20 strategies. So we'll be discussing each strategy. We'll be telling you, like, for example, you click valuation. What is going to be the program about? The first day we'll be discussing V. We'll tell you how to do DCF, how to do Graham, how to do this. Then we will go to all the strategies and give you the stock list of those strategies which is back tested. Second day we will go to A. We will show you what is momentum strategies, what is 1 month, how do you see. We have 5 strategies on momentum. We will show you the great gurus, their books, and we will give you the stock list also. In L, we are going to do the same thing. In U, we are going to do the same thing. And last day E, we are going to cover Nifty and when to exit. If you are invested, what are the different ways to exit the stock market? How you can use Nifty to exit, how you can use the stock derivative to exit, how you can use the economic scenario to exit. We'll be showing you some exit strategies also. Okay, so it's going to be a 5-day program. We will be covering VALUE. Each day will be about 2.5 hours to 3 hours. Each day will be about 2.5 hours to 3 hours. So if you really want to learn, obviously it's not going to be free. Probably we'll be keeping the price at 15,000 rupees for 5 days. But you'll get the app for 1 month usage with one strategy. So if you are looking, and it is 5:30 to 8 in the evening. So we'll be giving you a workbook to write. We'll be sending you through internet a workbook to write. We'll be discussing each one. We'll be showing you different website where you can get the data. So it's going to be a very, very detailed workshop for about 12.5 hours to 15 hours. Okay, 5:30 to 8. So if you are interested, obviously the cost will be 15,000 rupees because there's a lot of learning we'll be giving. If you're interested, please give your phone number. We have to end the session. If you're interested in the 5-day program, if you're interested to buy our strategies, and then you want to attend my personal training on Tuesday, because if you buy my strategy, we'll give you a personal one-to-one questions also we'll be handing to you. Okay. So there are many questions on Nifty, which I all handle on Tuesday. On a public forum, it's not possible to handle personal questions. But on Tuesday, I will answer all your personal questions, personal trading and this, right? So basically you follow these strategies. Yeah, so please connect, Ashok Banerjee, please come. I have not received Herbert Praveen George. Please give your number. Request everybody to please give the numbers. No, Tuesday sessions are free for my customers. Again, I repeat, Tuesday, say if you are my customer and you bought my app, Tuesday sessions are free for you. The 5-day training will be announced maybe from Friday or Saturday or next week, we'll be announcing. So if you're interested, give your number. So we'll definitely call you for the 5-day event. If you don't give your numbers, we're not going to discuss. We'll just send you a message if you're interested. You don't get a message. Nenash Shah, please give your number. Nenash, Pratik, if you're seeing the thing here, Pratik Tamal, please talk to Nenash Shah. Please see the treasure and please speak to them. Why they're not getting messages or trade. Nenash Shah, please give your number. My person will call you. And you can also call my person. Show the number, Vikash, on the front page, please. No, not this number. It is a too small, big one, which you made on the PPT. Yeah. Please call up this number. If they don't call you, please call up this number 83360887. Whoever is a customer and not receiving information for Tuesday, please call up this number and make sure they're added and speak to Pratik or Tamal. You didn't get a call at scheduled time. Sumesh Kumar. Pratik, I need the details. Who did not call them, please? Please make sure they are called. So please give your phone numbers if you are interested in the program. If you want to know about our app, you want to become a member, please give your phone numbers and we'll call you. The rest, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Please join us again next week at 4:30. Mr. Ashok Banerjee, please give your number so that, and you please give the call. Naina Shah, please give a call right now to this number. Because this number is right? 8336087004. Please check in the app. Please give your numbers. Rest can definitely leave now. Thank you so much for your time and effort. If you're interested to attend the webinar, if you're interested to buy our app, please give your number so we may call you. Pratik, please make sure we are calling Sumesh because he did not get the time at the scheduled time. So please call them. Who was the person who was supposed to call them? Thank you so much. You can exit, please, or if you can give your number. Yes, it is finished. Thank you, Harishji. Thank you so much. Yes, Mr. Harish, the webinar is finished. Shahi, please give your number so that my person can call you for the webinar and for the 5-day webinar. There are different strategies, Dilipji. There are different strategies. I hope the session is recorded, Vikash. Yesterday we forgot.
Yes.
Sunny M, please give your number. Sunny M, no teller call or no call or text, sir. I didn't get you. You don't want or you have not received, Mr. Sunny M. What is your question? We will send you the date, everything in the next 2 or 3 days, Anuradha. It's not a lot of learning, Mr. Amit. It's a lot of learning if you're interested to learn. Then after learning, you'll see it because we'll be showing you stocks of 20 strategies. You'll get a very, very big understanding of the market. We request everybody to please give your numbers who are interested in webinar or who want to join, who want free training, who wants to download the app. Please give your number. And rest can definitely leave. Thank you so much for your time and effort. Because you're only getting the number, right? Vikash Kandoi.
Right?
Vikash Kandoi. Thank you, friends. Please exit. We have 64 people still waiting. The session is ended. Please give your number if you're interested to become a customer or want to attend the 5-day webinar, detailed one. It's not free. Mr. Ravish, nothing is free. There's no free lunch. There's a lot of effort which goes down in doing things. We are going to show you real data, real research, everything real. It's going to be a different training. Request 54 people to please exit or please give your phone numbers. No, Mr. Ravish, you can't get into free. Thank you, Mr. Ajay, for your number. We will contact you. Thank you, Mr. Veer. We still have 44 people. Please exit or please give your phone number so that we can we can proceed. You're waiting for people to exit. There are 41 people. Please exit or please give your phone numbers, please. Some people have given numbers in this also, in Q&A. Vikas?
Q&A. Okay, I will take.
Please take in Q&A. Some people have given number. Just check. The cost of the webinar will be 15,000 rupees for 5 days. And you will get stock list of 20 strategies.
They're a little bit confused between 15, 15 and 50.
15. It will be probably next week. I'll tell you the date. Maybe from Thursday next week. Or maybe earlier, we'll tell you the date. We still have 28 people. Please give your phone numbers or please exit, please. I think so now we can end because there are 26 people. Yes, it's great work because you will understand a lot, Mr. Satish. He was asking something. Yes, Mr. Satish, you will learn a lot. You will learn a lot, Mr. Satish. Pratik, if you're online, Mr. Satish has 5 strategies, so give him a discount to attend the webinar. Mr. Satish, because you have 5 strategies, we'll give you a discount to attend the webinar. Because you already have 5 strategies. Thank you for your trust. So we will give you definitely. Thank you, Santan. 23 more people. Guys, बंद कर देना. Let's end the meeting. But Vikas, let's open that. I meditate. 6 बजे होगी. विकास.
हाँ.
I meditate.
ठीक है.
लॉगिन कर ले. मेरा ही दिन है.
आप लीव कर दीजिए मीटिंग. एंड कर दीजिए.